And one. Nice, come on out of that. And take those circles in your hips. Just clockwise, you can separate the knees. Breathing through it. Don't we just love a good stretch session? There's nothing that makes me feel better than a super good stretch session. That's why we have to take our time. When you rush it, it becomes uncomfortable. So I'm here to help you pace yourself. Switch directions. And I need the stretching too. That's why I'm here. Float with Addie has made a comeback though. A couple years ago when I started foreplay, I really thought that I was done with Float with Addie. I thought it was a phase. And look at us now. We've phased back in. I'm so proud. All right, we're gonna take this into a circle. Feels so good on the spine. And really pull your belly in at the top.